Ano masasabi mo na bad boy ng Cebu? Nice one. That's a very good sport. I would like to acknowledge from Mindanao, Chris Bryant. Of course, we acknowledge Chris Bryant. Palakpakan naman siya. Bryant! Alright, let's begin. Fighting first in the blue corner. Weighing in at 75 kilograms. 56 kilograms yan, ha? 56 kilograms. Kinaduda ko, pagtanaw sa 55 kilograms, naduda ko. Okay. 56 kilograms, hailing from Nueva Ecija, Philippines. Let's give it up for Ferdinand the Looper de la Merced. Relax, ha? Relax. Itapol. And now, his opponent, the challenger, in the red corner, weighing in at 75 kilograms, hailing from Consolacion, Cebu, Philippines. Let's give it up for Bad Boy ng Cebu! Right now, boxing fans, we are now at our newest peaks at the Facebook Live viewers. We got 168,000 views sa ating Facebook Live viewers. Before we begin, ato sa clear the ring. This is 3 rounds of boxing. Boxing for a pause. Bad Boy ng Cebu versus Ferdinand de la Merced. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Kisa lahat ang mabunog for tonight's boxing event. Judges, we got Now sa daan, ha? Ato sa clear those things, Ginhawa na nagamay, ha? Of course, ato yung acknowledge the 3 judges at ringside scored about J.D. Sanchez, Pocholo Padilla, and Victor Cogal before we start. That's on your cue. Bell referee, Fernando Ocon, on your cue, wearing white, on the ring. Seryoso na kasanan. Kinsa ka ang mabunog na imobiswa, tanawa ko. Ibalik pa lang. Karuwa. Wala pa Facebook.
Jen, naka-blue. Tapos Bad Boy, naka-red.
End of round 1. Para ninyo boxing fans, kinsay na daw sa round 1. Bad Boy ng Cebu. Wala pa. How about Ferdinand de la Merced? Oy, i-remind me. Mga boxing fans, kanao nga sa home. Ay, pwede na ito mag-preamp, hindi na ito